word. And the word of the day for me is business cards. Let's make business cards out of index cards. I've been doing this forever, and I have to say, I think of business cards like accessories. You want to change them out to fit your mood or to fit the person you're giving them to. So I thought I'll make a video because it's so easy to do step by step. But then bam, I already made a video how to make them out of heavyweight index cards, of which you can buy 100 index cards for just under $2, which 100 index cards, 2 business card per index card. That's a lot of business cards. Anyway, I'm going to link here and here, step by step, how to do business cards. Again, I think of them as accessories. And speaking of accessories, it's hot and humid on the East Coast. Summer is not my accessory season. But anyway, come along and have fun changing up and making business cards. It's really easy.